Here's a little tutorial video of how to install these speaker pods. These things are just absolutely amazing. I went ahead and pulled my right side dash out. Trust me when I say this, it's gonna be so much easier. This right side dash panel and the left are very easy to get out. Probably takes you 15 minutes. So one of the first things you can do, this bracket right here that they supply fits nicely up inside this corner. It fits all the factory KRX contours perfectly. Slide up in the corner, mark your 2 holes, drill it, and then bolt this in. There's nuts that go in the back, self-locking nuts, so it'll actually hold it itself in there. Then you want to take your speaker pod, sorry about that, hold on a second, and then you want to put your speaker pod up inside there. Now bolt those 2 holes in so it's nice and tight, and after you've done that, then you're going to look up here. And the reason I say bolted is because then you're going to mark these 2 holes and drill the 2 dash holes. Now after you've done that, okay, so I put the panel back inside the vehicle and just put a couple push pins so I know it's completely aligned. Now if you kind of look right here, I need to put a mark right there. You can see how that's on the half of the seam. Let's see if I can get that to focus a little bit. That's what we're trying to route out. That's what we're trying to do right there, is to give the nuts some room to clear. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go take my marking pen. I'm going to mark those right there and right there. And that way I don't have to worry about when I slide this in, this whole dash panel in with the speaker pod, I know that it's going to be cleared there with the nuts. So you can see I marked the holes where those nuts are going to sit on the back side of the mounting plate for the speaker pod. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a Dremel in here and we're going to create like a U shape so that when we slide this in, the nuts don't interfere with it, doesn't interfere with the dash panel, and everything will clamp right up nice and tight. Okay, so I used a drum bit on a Dremel, and all I did was just make some contours, and this is where the nuts are going to sit, so now they won't interfere with the factory dash panel. And that's it. It's real simple. Now mount everything up, wire everything up, and put it all back together. And then you're going to mount this to the dash and go ahead and screw it to the dash. You're going to feed your holes through that 5/8, there are wires through that 5/8 hole right there, and I'll show that here in just a second. Okay, they're all mounted up solid. I just put the dash panels back in just to kind of do a test fit here really quick. Everything's fitting perfect. I like how everything's nice and tight. All these lines are absolutely perfect. It's just a really nice fit. Just an impeccable quality. I love this. Look at all those seams. Everything is just so perfect.